At number 1, we have the Tattoo Stencil Printer Machine with 10 PCS transfer paper, built with high-quality ABS materials for durability and stability. It operates without ink, delivering clean and precise transfers every time. It features mirror mode, normal transfer, and adjustable depth settings, making it versatile for any design. Lightweight and portable, it's powered by a plug, ensuring stable performance anywhere you work. Users love how it saves time and consistently produces clean, professional stencil designs. Reliable, easy to use, and comes with starter transfer paper. It's the ultimate upgrade for any artist. At number 2, we have the Saknah Thermal Tattoo Stencil Printer Kit. This high-efficiency stencil copier transfers designs in just 10 seconds, producing smooth and clear patterns every time. It handles everything from simple tribal designs to highly complex line art with ease, supporting both A4 and A5 paper sizes. With mirror mode and adjustable depth levels, it offers total flexibility for any tattoo style. Artists love how easy it is to set up and use, delivering consistent, high-quality stencil results. Upgrade your workflow with the Saknah Thermal Tattoo Stencil Printer. It's the tool you've been looking for. At number 3, we have the Atomus Tattoo Transfer Machine. This fast and efficient stencil printer simplifies your workflow, preparing stencils in seconds. It operates with low heat and low noise, ensuring a stable environment and delivering consistent, high-quality results every time. The package includes everything you need to get started right away. Users love how easy it is to use, praising the dark, clearly printed stencils and its reliable long-term performance. The Atomus Transfer Machine. Speed and precision to elevate your art.
At number 4, we have the LifeBasis Tattoo Thermal Copier. The LifeBasis Tattoo Thermal Copier is a professional stencil printer designed for both beginners and experienced tattoo artists. It allows you to quickly copy designs onto stencil paper in just a few simple steps, greatly improving workflow efficiency. Supporting A4 and A5 paper sizes and weighing only 1.17 kg, it's easy to move and store. This thermal copier requires no ink or replacement parts, making it a cost-effective solution. It features mirror copy, photo mode, and adjustable depth settings for different stencil needs. What we like, it's an affordable tattoo stencil printer that is fast, simple, and reliable. People say, produces clear, crisp stencil lines quickly, helping artists save time and improve accuracy.
At number 5, we have the FOMO M08F Wireless Tattoo Stencil Printer. This is a game changer for artists. It's lightweight and portable, weighing only 2 kg and about 60% the size of traditional machines. It works seamlessly with smartphones, tablets, and laptops, supporting all major operating systems for ultimate convenience. Using thermal printing technology, the M08F delivers clear, precise stencil patterns without any messy ink, improving efficiency. The stencil quality is razor sharp, producing clean, professional tattoo lines every time. Just use high-resolution images for the best results. The battery that prints up to 210 pages per charge, this compact and durable printer is perfect for any workspace. The FOMO M08F